All right, so today we're looking at the SmallRig Magic Arm Super Clamp. This thing is pretty cool. There's the clamp, articulating arm number 1, another tightener for articulating arm number 2, and there it is. This particular stand or arm is holding up my light here, and it's doing a fantastic job. It's easy to loosen and articulate. Now I will tell you there's only one tightening knob here, so that controls both distances of the arm. This right here is just for the clamp. This knob here loosens up here, here, and obviously the swiveling point here. So you get it where you want it and just tighten this down. There's no fidgeting with multiple clamps, which can be a good thing, but at the same time it could be a drawback depending on your circumstance. All right. I knew that my particular setup was only going to be for one stationary object, and once it's set, that's it. I didn't have to worry about tweaking it, so I didn't need multiple points of tightening. But yeah, great little tool. Definitely something you need in your grip bag or your camera gear. And for me, this is my little web station here. Working perfect. I like it. Very inexpensive for what you get, and pretty good, pretty good. I want to say this is probably what, maybe 11-inch? Can't remember exactly, but I'll put a link in the description so you can get the specs and details and see if it'll work for you. All right, stay tuned, and as always, on to the next.